Imagine that you've been saving up and you're finally ready to go on your dream vacation. Now, you get the flight booked, you get the hotels booked, everything's set to go, and then something happens. All of a sudden your plans change and you're unable to go, and normally you'd be out that money you'd already spent on the flight. Now, Airfare.com is a company that I've started to be able to really help with this problem. If you've traveled much, you know that one, sometimes plans change and life just happens. You know that flight insurance really doesn't very often help. And you know that if you've already lost it, you've already spent the money, you're probably going to be out a lot on that ticket. Now, in the year 2012 alone, over $2.5 billion was spent just on cancellation fees to airlines. Airfare.com is here to help alleviate some of that pain on the consumers. Now, Airfare.com is a site where consumers can go to be able to post the flights that they've previously paid that they're no longer going to be able to use, to be able to get help with the refund of that. What we do, first off, this is kind of the business model here. So when a consumer decides that they're going to need to change their flight, they go to the website, to Airfare.com, submit their flight details. Airfare.com then tracks the current value of the flight and will offer them a refund similar to that price and in-store credit that they can then use to buy a different flight so they can still go on that dream vacation, still have all the luxury and all the leisure, but not have to worry about the hassles dealing with airlines paying the $500, $700 fees to be able to get those points back. Consumers are happy, of course, because they save money like we all like to do. Airlines are happy because they always have full flights. So let's get Airfare started and get consumers some fair fares.